today is 21st of January, which is my birthday. And I love my birthday. I mean, who doesn't love their birthday? So I thought today will be the perfect day for my first vlog. So here goes my first vlog. So bear with me, it's my first one. So yeah, currently it's 10 a.m. and I'm almost ready. My friends are coming and I have some plans. But let's see how the day goes. I will take you along with me. So currently my father has made me some amazing birthday breakfast. Wait, let me show you. So here's my perfect birthday breakfast. We have luchi, we have aloo bhaja, and I'm going to eat this now. Hey guys, I'm back. I forgot to vlog for a long time. So currently it's 12 p.m. and my friends are here. So they have decorated the whole room for me. So let me show you how the room looks.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful.
So yeah guys, this is how my friends have decorated my room. This room looks so amazing. It literally looks like a page out of a fairy tale. The whole room is lightened up with fairy lights. I seriously feel so blessed and so happy. So I am celebrating now with them. We'll see you in a while. Hey guys, so it's currently 5 p.m. So my friends are gone and some of my friends are coming and I'm super tired. Like I'm so tired right now, but hey, my friends are coming in half an hour I guess. So yeah, this was the update. We were just chilling and talking. We met after what 10-11 months after the lockdown. So we were talking for the past hours. I am waiting for my friends who are yet to come. So we'll see you then. Bye.
Take a step back to see the truth around.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hey guys, so it's a few days later and I'm ending the vlog now. I know at the evening I totally forgot to vlog, but yeah, this was my birthday. I'm so grateful for everyone I have in my life who took out time from their life to wish me, to be with me and all that. So this was my 23rd birthday and my first vlog. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, be happy, bye.